Hey, it's Claire. Let's do something that everybody loves, which is a nice rose gold eye. Okay, super easy. We're going to take our fluffy blending brush and I'm just dropping it into the color Nimble, and I'm going to be doing this as my transition color. So we're doing the windshield wiper motion all over just underneath the brow bone and all over the lid. This transition color doesn't have to be Nimble. It could be Astute, anything that's just a neutral matte. The next shade we're going to use is Optimistic. So Optimistic is going to be our highlight colors. We're going to put it right on the brow bone there. And then I'm just going to use that same fluffy brush and just pop a little bit on the inner corners of my eye. Okay, let's clean off that fluffy brush because we're going to go into the shade Manipulative. So that's going to go all in our crease and on top of the lid, just trying to avoid that little bit of that highlight on the inner corner of your eye. So this color Manipulative and the color Slick, which we'll be using next, is what gives that rose gold effect. So those two shades are the most important shades of this look. So I'm going to take a new brush and I'm going to go into Slick, and I'm just going to pat it on top of my eyelid. So I'm going pretty much all over my entire lid, minus that inner corner where I've put the Optimistic. If you want a halo effect, you could just do the very center of your lid and you would still get the rose gold in the center of your lid. Then we're going to take those two colors again, Manipulative and the color Slick, and we're just going to go underneath the eye just to bring that rose gold underneath, combining the two colors just on the lower lash. And if you mess up, keep Kleenex nearby. You can throw some concealer over that part after. With the fluffy brush again, it's clean. I'm just going to blend it all together just so that it's seamless. And that's your rose gold eye complete. Let's grab some mascara. I'm skipping eyeliner for this look. I'm just going to go straight into the mascara. So this is the Epic Mascara. This is a lengthening and curling. There's no fibers in this, but it's going to give you nice long lashes. Today, I'm going to actually do 2 coats just to show you how long your lashes can actually get with this one tube of mascara. So I can be terrible sometimes at getting mascara on my eyeshadow. Don't worry, with this mascara, just let it dry, and once you're done your look, just go over it with like a dry spoolie or an old mascara wand, and you can just flick those pieces of Epic mascara away without ruining your eyeshadow look. So now it's going to be on to lips. Today I've actually chosen a limited edition color, so it's not available anymore, but I love it. It's rose gold and it's a metallic splash liquid lipstick. A nude lip would look nice with this look as well. You can pretty much get away with a nice little subtle pink. I like to set my lips with the eyeshadow, so if you do a nude lip, grab that Slick or grab some Optimistic and set your lipstick with a little bit of shimmer, and you'll get a beautiful brand new look out of your lipstick anyways. So that's it. That's the rose gold eye. Thank you so much for watching.